Tammy Slaton is no longer just one of the sisters on 1000 LB Sisters, she may very well be the future of the show. As the reality series continues to captivate fans with its raw and often emotional journey into weight loss, family struggles, and personal transformation, one thing has become undeniable. Why clear? Tammy Slaton has become the heartbeat of the show. And if recent developments are any indication, the newest season might be completely centered around her life, her triumphs, her challenges, and everything in between. But how exactly did Tammy go from being one half of the duo to carrying the entire franchise on her shoulders? Let's dive into the real story behind Tammy's evolution, her critical role in saving the show, and what fans can expect in the coming season that might just be all about her. Tammy's journey hasn't been an easy one. From the beginning, she was often portrayed as the most stubborn of the two sisters, resistant to change, quick to anger, and emotionally volatile. While Amy took the first steps toward bariatric surgery and motherhood, Tammy struggled with addiction, isolation, and deteriorating health. There were times when fans questioned whether Tammy would even survive another season, much less become the standout figure of the series. But somewhere in the darkness, Tammy found the strength to turn everything around. After a life-threatening hospitalization and a prolonged stay in a rehabilitation facility, she shocked everyone with her resilience. When the cameras rolled again, Tammy was different, not just physically, but mentally and emotionally. That change didn't just alter her personal life. It gave the show a new identity. Behind the scenes, TLC producers were reportedly growing concerned about the future of 1000 LB Sisters. With Amy's attention focused on her children and her controversial legal issues making headlines, her availability and narrative appeal began to dwindle. Fans began to shift their interest to Tammy's dramatic transformation, her intense therapy sessions, and her evolving self-confidence. Ratings began to spike every time Tammy appeared. Social media lit up with memes, video edits, and praise as fans finally rallied behind the once vilified star. And TLC executives noticed. According to inside sources, meetings were held to discuss the viability of a spin-off or even rebranding the current show to focus more heavily on Tammy's life. The reason? Tammy was no longer the underdog, she was the main attraction, and it's not just her weight loss that has people talking. Tammy's romantic life has also taken center stage. After the emotional rollercoaster with her late husband Caleb Willingham, fans weren't sure Tammy would ever open her heart again. But she surprised everyone by moving forward, rebuilding her confidence, and exploring new relationships. Rumors have swirled about a mystery man, and recent TikToks and subtle Instagram posts hint that love may be blossoming once again. All of this has only increased fan interest and speculation. Many believe that the upcoming season will not only document her continued health journey but also delve into her dating life, emotional recovery from loss, and her rise as an internet icon. Speaking of internet fame, Tammy's social media presence has become a massive part of her brand. Her TikTok videos often go viral, and fans are quick to celebrate her progress and defend her from trolls. Tammy interacts with her followers in a way that few reality stars do. She's raw, unfiltered, and often hilarious, qualities that make her relatable and beloved by a wide range of viewers. Whether she's showing off her new outfits, clapping back at haters, or getting emotional about her past, Tammy B brings an authenticity that's rare in the reality TV world. She has managed to take control of her narrative and rewrite the story that once portrayed her as the antagonist. Now, she's the star. So what will this new season look like if it's truly all about Tammy? Fans can likely expect more in-depth looks at her daily life, including behind-the-scenes footage of her post-surgery recovery, therapy, diet challenges, and possibly even her career aspirations. Sources close to the production team have hinted that Tammy has been exploring opportunities in fashion and beauty, hoping to inspire others by becoming a plus-size influencer. There's also buzz about her writing a memoir or starting a podcast. TLC knows that audiences are hungry for content that centers around Tammy's empowerment and success story, and they're planning to deliver. What's even more compelling is the dynamic shift in family roles. With Amy struggling publicly and dealing with legal fallout, fans are beginning to look to Tammy as the new anchor of the family. This shift is unprecedented, especially considering Tammy's rocky past with her siblings. But it also mirrors the very human experience of redemption, forgiveness, and growth. Viewers want to see Tammy make peace with her family, support her nieces and nephews, and rise above the chaos. It's a storyline filled with hope and healing, exactly what many fans need right now. Of course, not everything is smooth sailing. Tammy still faces daily challenges. Health setbacks, emotional triggers, and public scrutiny remain constant companions. But what's different now is her attitude. She's no longer hiding behind excuses or playing the victim. Tammy has become a fighter, someone who acknowledges her past mistakes but doesn't let them define her future. This season will show just how far she's come, and just how much further she's willing to go. Critics may argue that the focus on Tammy is a calculated move by producers to milk the most dramatic storyline. But fans see it differently. For them, Tammy represents something deeper, a chance to believe that transformation is possible, no matter how impossible it once seemed. From near death to newfound purpose, her story is one of the most compelling on reality television today. And it's not slowing down. If the latest leaks are to be believed, production for the new season has already begun, with Tammy filming solo segments, emotional interviews, and never-before-seen moments that dive into her personal reflections. There are even reports that the show might feature some guest appearances from other TLC personalities or weight loss experts to help Tammy continue her journey and inspire others. One insider teased that this upcoming season will be Tammy like you've never seen her before. Fans are bracing themselves for a season filled with breakthroughs, setbacks, and unforgettable moments. Meanwhile, TLC continues to tease updates with cryptic posts and behind-the-scenes sneak peeks. Promotional materials hint at a major rebrand, possibly even renaming the show to reflect Tammy's solo status. Whether it remains 1000 LB Sisters or becomes a spin-off under a new title, one thing is certain: Tammy Slaton is no longer a side character. She is the show, and thanks to her determination, vulnerability, and sheer will to live, she may have single-handedly saved it. In a world where reality stars often flame out or fade away, Tammy has done the impossible. She has turned public scorn into public support, made pain her power, and stepped into a role no one thought she could fill. The next season of 1000 LB Sisters isn't just about weight loss anymore. It's about transformation, redemption, and the making of a star. And if Tammy Slaton is the future of this franchise, fans are ready. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.